Hey, what's up SLP coin holder? This time whether the SLP is completely on the trending and the price will be increasing hour by hour, minute by minute, second by second, my brother, especially in last 24 hour 2.85% profit. So this is a very huge pump, my brother, and definitely the very huge pump is coming soon now. So when, my brother, absolutely the main question of holder is this, my brothers, to when my brother the pen SLP price will be increasing now. So my brother, in this video everything I will share with you, so kindly you need, my brothers, to watch this video completely to understand better now. And definitely if you hold, so I hope they will make you millionaire now. This time, my brother, the SLP price will be increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. So my brother, what you want to do, my brother, and this time, my friends, we will need, my brothers, to do something special, my brother, for all my viewers, my subscribers, to understand better now. Therefore, my friends, I do a prediction, my brother. So my prediction is very simple now, and definitely after a fail, every coin will take a very huge jump now. So therefore, my friend, I am really like it, my brother, and I know to in upcoming time they will give me a profits now. So please, if I know to they will give me a profit in upcoming time, so why I starting selling? I just holding, and absolutely, my friend, I will waiting for a good time. So I just all of you, my friend, I will also recommend you to please don't starting selling, invest now, and after that you need to do my friends a rush now. So thanks for watching, holder. Please hope you understand something new in this video. Please like video and subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.